Ready to unlock the potential of online trading? Let's dive into Pocket Option, a powerful platform designed to help you navigate the exciting world of investments. First, let's take a look at the Pocket Option interface. You'll find your trading charts here in the main window, allowing you to monitor asset price movements in real time. Notice the different chart types you can choose from, like line charts, candlestick charts, and more. Next, explore the assets available. Pocket Option offers a diverse range, from currency pairs like EUR, USD to commodities like gold and even cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Simply click on the Assets menu to see all the options. Now let's place a trade. Choose your desired investment amount. Select the expiration time, that's the duration of your trade, and predict whether the asset price will go up or down. Click the green up button if you think the price will rise, or the red down button if you believe it will fall. Keep an eye on your open trades in the positions section here. You can track your progress, view your potential profit or loss, and even close trades early if needed. Funding your account is easy. Pocket Option provides various deposit and withdrawal methods, including credit cards, e-wallets, and bank transfers. You can find all these options in the finance section. And lastly, don't forget to explore the education section. Pocket Option offers helpful tutorials, webinars, and 24/7 customer support to guide you on your trading journey. So, go ahead, explore Pocket Option, and start making informed trading decisions today.